just like we've seen how Liquid is able to tie together data from the people database with the emails that are going out, you can also use the same programming language, which is Liquid, to connect data from the people database and sign up profiles to the website experience that they see when they are browsing the website. And the best part about kind of using a NationBuilder website is that your site can be truly dynamic and catered to the logged in user, as opposed to using an external website, which might look more static. Um, so the first thing to note here that's different from email is that with email, you are sending it out to recipients that you have profiles for already. So it's going to know which profile to pull from. Whereas on the website, somebody might be just visiting your website and they are not in your database at all, or we don't know which profile they are and they're fully logged out, or they might be logged in and we kind of know who they are, so we can render those fields. So there are different states. So there's logged out, which is either somebody doesn't exist in the database or they just came to your site. There's logged in, which means they've punched in their email and password, or they've used Facebook, Twitter, single sign-on, something like that to log in. And then there's this in-between state, which is in the code is called sorta logged in. And the idea there is we're pretty sure we know who is visiting the site because we've matched it with a profile in the database based on the email that they entered when they took action, or they clicked on an email link and it took them to the website, and the link is personalized to show us what profile they are, but they haven't securely logged in with a password or something like Facebook or Twitter. So we're not 100% guaranteed that that is the person. We might not want to display sensitive information. So the screenshot here shows what a single profile page might look like for somebody totally logged out on the left versus when they're logged in on the right, looking at their own profile. There's some more sensitive information that they can see about their own profile.